90% of pre-made first aid kits fail because they focus on cuts, but the number one reason hikers bail is actually blisters, and cheap band-aids won't save you. Most hikers buy the Adventure Medical Kits, AMK, Ultralight .7 for $33 and think they're safe. While the waterproof bag is decent, you are paying a premium for cheap filler items you probably won't use. The biggest failure in these kits is blister care. They give you pre-cut moleskin that peels off in 10 minutes. The only thing you should trust is Leukotape P, $10 per roll. Leukotape is rigid zinc oxide tape. It breathes, handles sweat, and stays on for days. Wrap 3 feet of it around a lighter or trekking pole to save weight. Never carry the full roll. For wounds, ditch the 50 assorted band-aids. You need an irrigation syringe, $5, to blast dirt out of cuts. Infection is your real enemy. Pair that with Steri-Strips to close deep wounds and Tegaderm to cover them. Pre-made kits give you tiny packets of generic aspirin. Build your own pharmacy. You need ibuprofen for inflammation, diphenhydramine, Benadryl for sudden allergic reactions, and loperamide, Imodium, because backcountry diarrhea is dangerous. If you are hiking in rocky terrain or solo, carry a SAM Splint, $15. It weighs 4 ounces, but is the only reliable way to immobilize a fractured ankle or wrist so you can self-rescue. For the container, stop buying heavy organizers. A Ziploc freezer bag is waterproof, weighs nothing, and costs 20 cents. If you need durability, the Sea to Summit First Aid Dry Sack, $22, is the only upgrade worth buying. Let's break down the cost. A decent pre-made kit, like the AMK Mountain Series Hiker, is $35. Buying bulk supplies costs $60 upfront, but builds 5 superior kits for you and your friends. Here is the summary checklist for a day hike versus multi-day trip. Screenshot this. Note that for multi-day, we add the tick key and antibiotic ointment. Finally, the most expensive gear is useless if you don't know how to use it. Take a Wilderness First Aid, WFA, course if you go remote. A kit just buys you time, skills get you home. Don't outsource your safety to a budget kit, build your own.